Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential conversations that can help build trust in your relationship. Trust is the foundation of any strong partnership, and we're here to guide you through the topics that matter most. Building trust requires courage, vulnerability, and a willingness to be truly seen by another person. It's about showing up authentically, even when it's scary, and allowing yourself to be vulnerable with someone you love. So let's dive in and explore the conversations that can help you cultivate deeper, more fulfilling relationships. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights and tips on building trust in your relationships. Imagine your values as the invisible compass guiding your life. They shape your decisions, reactions, and how you show up in the world. When we understand our own values, we gain clarity about what truly matters to us. Sharing these values with our partners creates a bridge of understanding. Have you ever felt a disconnect with your partner, like you were speaking different languages? Often, it's because our values haven't been openly explored and acknowledged. The beauty is in understanding the why behind your partner's beliefs. This vulnerability, this willingness to be seen, is the seed from which trust grows. We all carry baggage from our past experiences, those heartbreaks and disappointments that have shaped our views on trust. It's easy to let those old wounds dictate how we approach new relationships, building walls instead of bridges. But here's the empowering truth. Our past does not define us. Instead of dwelling on past mistakes, let's shift the focus to the lessons learned. Sharing these lessons with your partner, not as blame or accusation, but as vulnerable self-reflection, builds a profound connection. In that shared space of understanding, trust takes root and begins to flourish. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. Unexpressed expectations are breeding grounds for misunderstandings and resentment. When we shy away from clearly communicating our needs and expectations, we set ourselves up for disappointment. It's like assuming our partner can read our minds, which, let's be honest, rarely ends well. Defining these together with empathy and understanding creates a strong foundation for a trusting and fulfilling partnership. Here's a thought. The word trust doesn't come with a universal dictionary. What makes you feel safe and secure might be different from your partner's definition. The key is to uncover these individual definitions and then weave them together into a shared understanding. Have an open and honest conversation about what trust means to each of you. This vulnerable exchange paves the way for a deeper, more authentic connection. We're all perfectly imperfect humans capable of making mistakes. Relationships can be fertile ground for unintended hurt, misunderstandings, and missteps. Acknowledging our mistakes, however big or small, is a powerful act of courage. It requires us to own our actions and be accountable for the impact they had on our partner. When we apologize authentically, not just saying the words but truly understanding the pain we caused, we begin to rebuild the bridge of connection. In that process, we learn to forgive ourselves and each other, paving the way for a stronger, more resilient relationship. Think about a time you felt truly secure and supported in your relationship. Security is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a deeply personal experience. Share with each other what makes you feel safe and secure. When we understand each other's security needs and strive to meet them with love and respect, we create a safe haven where trust can thrive. In the busyness of life, it's easy to focus on the things that aren't going right, the arguments, the unmet expectations. But what if we shifted our perspective? What if we intentionally chose to focus on the good, the small acts of love, the moments that make us smile? When we express appreciation for our partners, for the big things and the everyday moments, we create a positive feedback loop. These simple acts of appreciation create a virtuous cycle, nurturing trust and deepening your bond. Thank you for watching. Remember, building trust takes time and effort from both partners. Keep the conversation going, stay empathetic, and always strive for open communication. The conversations we explored today are not just one-time events, they're stepping stones on the ongoing journey of building a strong and trusting relationship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips and advice.